Look at the inverter display under the television to be sure there is enough power before you start to make coffee. It should be 12.2 volts or more. If it's too low, the options are to either turn on the generator or to use the French press. This basket contains the coffee grounds, filter, and measuring cup. If we ran out of coffee in that white canister, more should be available in the floorboard by the coffee table. And the red suction cup you normally need to open that is located by the nav station. Remove the carafe. Open up the water and filter chamber. Simply pull. Up here is where the filter will go. And here is where the water will go. Sometimes the filter likes to get stuck and fold over here when you go to close the lid. So as you close the lid, just make sure that that filter stays put. Place the carafe into the coffee machine and then press the on-off button. If you're only making 1 or maybe 1.5 cups, hit the 1 to 4. You can tell if you need this by looking over here at the water level. For anyone using sugar, here is our sugar. And for anyone using Splenda, we also have Splenda. Coffee creamer is almost always found in the upper left-hand drawer.